Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. You have already seen what I'm going to edit today in this video using only curve tool, and I'm going to edit this video only in 5 steps to make it easier for you. And those steps are: number 1, create the atmosphere; number 2, create warm highlight; number 3, shadows; number 4, adjust the light; and number 5, create the light source. So without having further delay, let's dig in. First, open the photo in Snapseed and go to Curves tool. Here we will create the evening atmosphere. Before creating the atmosphere, I would like to share some general knowledge about Curve tool. Here you will get 5 options like RGB, red, green, blue and luminance. RGB refers to the brightness. If you drag it from right up to down, it will produce black, and dragging from the left bottom to up, it will produce white. And the opposite of red is cyan, and the opposite of green is magenta, and the opposite of blue is yellow. So that's the basic here. Now simply I will drag down the RGB to get the evening look in the photo. Now go to the red and drag it down a bit to get the cyan in the sky, and look what sandy to the sky. Now go to the green and drag it down a bit to get magenta. It looks natural, right? Now go to the blue and drag it a bit up to get some bluish look in the sky as it in the evening. Now just go to the view edits, and with the help of masking, I will brush out the evening show from my object. Now step number 2, create warm highlight. Go to curves and select blue. As we know, the opposite of blue is yellow, so we will drag it down and to get some yellow colors, and the yellow gives warm look. I think that's enough. Now go to the green and drag it a bit high to get a light yellow color as we create the light from the flower. Now go to the red and drag it a bit high to get a little bit of red on the face. Now just go to the view edits, and with the help of masking, we will highlight the flower area and those areas where the lights will fall from the flower, and we will not highlight those areas where the shadows. Step number 3, shadows. To create shadows, go to curves and select the RGB and drag it down and adjust it. I think this amount is enough. Now go to the view edits, and with the help of masking, I will just brush those areas where the shadow should be, especially the 2 sides of the face. If you overexpose somewhere, then just don't worry, just decrease the amount of curve and rebrush. That's it. I think there will be some shadows in between the leaves, so I'll make sure to create some shadows there, and a little bit of shadows on the two sides of the nose and the backside of the nose as well. This is the before and after, and on the forehead as well. As you can see, this makes a huge difference, right? Now I will make some shadows on the fingers too. And below the hands. This is the before and after, and it looks great. Now step number 4, adjust the light. To adjust the light, go to curve tool and select the blue and drag it a bit down to get more yellow color, and drag it a bit more. See, before and after, I think that's enough. I hit it OK and go to view edits, and with the help of masking I will brush out the sky areas as I want to look it bit more bluish. Before jumping to the step number 5, I will select the layer just before the original photo and create the light source. Just go to the brush and select the exposure and make the exposure to 1 and hit over the flower like this. Yeah, it looks nice. Now just hit it OK, and now view edits and select the top layer, and here we go. You can see the light source look more natural or realistic. Now just export the photo and it's done. So thanks for watching.